welcome back to Swiss Fashion. First of all, apologies, I've not posted for a while. Some of you may know that I've broke my ankle, but you know, that's irrelevant really, but I wasn't able to get out and about very much, so that's the reason why I've not posted. Anyway, so let's get into this next video. It's all healed now. So today we're going to make the leopard print pillbox with some nice swirls on the top. So what we've got here is the pillbox, sinamay underneath, covered in leopard print velvet, very nice and soft, and I've sewn on the thin silver metal hairband. You could also use the elastic or a comb, but I prefer to use hairbands, and I've placed it slightly at the back because they should be placed slightly forward on the right hand side of your head. So that's what we're going to put the swirls on. So I've got my black sinamay. I'm going to fold it an inch double and cut that off. So I hope you've all been alright. I know it's a funny time at the moment with all this COVID going about. I hope you're still well. It's very difficult for everybody, isn't it? And I know that, you know, not many people are wearing hats at the moment, but we can still make them. It's hard to motivate ourselves, but we just got to keep on going. Keep swimming, as I say. Keep on swimming, like Nemo. And you know, everything could be a lot worse, couldn't it? So I folded it in half, an inch, and then I'm going to cut that off. This is all. It's not such stiffened sinamay, so I prefer it a bit more stiffened. But anyway, when we iron this or heat press it, it does become a lot more rigid, so that's good. So when we've cut this off, just blunt my scissors a bit, so I just use the sinamay scissors. I've got sinamay scissors, fabric scissors, paper scissors, because paper blunts your scissors as well. And then we're going to fold in the edges just so that we don't have any of the raw edges showing. Plus it can be quite rough, like it is, can scratch your skin a bit, the material. But anyway, so like I say, I hope you're all okay. Just keep going. Keep writing your gratitude lists. And keep being positive. Everything's going to work out alright. Also, I always say, don't worry about anything you can't control. You know, you can be sensible and, you know, go out as little as possible. Some people just totally discarding the rules anyway, but you know, I just want to keep my family safe, so I'm not going out very much, doing online shops and stuff like that. You know, just do the best you can, make yourself proud. Because when we look back at all of this, we'll tell our grandchildren, if we have them, you know, it's hopefully one day we'll be laughing at all this. Plus, like I say, it could all be a lot worse, right? Imagine being in the war and being on rations and things like that. It's, you know, this is 10,000 times better than that, isn't it? So just try and keep doing things you love, spending time with people you love, if you can, hopefully. I'm very lucky that I've got my family near me. Well, my immediate family. That's all you can do, isn't it? So I'm just folding in these raw edges, and then I'm going to iron it. So I've got a nice strip of sinamay fabric. So now I've ironed the strip of sinamay, I'm just going to do a bit of a loop-de-loop. So I'm going to make a figure of 8. I snipped off the edges. So that's a nice size to fit onto the pillbox. Let me do that on top. A bit of a loop there. This goes up there, and that one can tuck underneath. So actually I forgot to snip off this edge. And that can just tuck underneath. I'm going to sew that onto the hat, again near the back. So I've sewn the sinamay loops together and onto the hat, and you could also add some flowers, fabric flowers, for that rockability look. I do find often works better in free, to use free flowers for an uneven number. Yeah, and I'll photograph that on the mannequin to show you what it looks like on. So thanks for watching, I hope it was helpful, and I hope you create some lovely hats yourselves. Okay, take care, bye!